Hello everyone and welcome back to Modern Beauty. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this Playful Smoky eye for fall, so keep watching. Starting things off, I am grabbing a blending brush, in this case Morphe M432, and I am using the color Faith in the Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette. And I am going to go in my crease with this color as well as above my crease, blending it out with the blending brush. Next, I'm grabbing a crease brush, and this is the Morphe M519, and I'm using Extra Bitter in the same Urban Decay Ultimate Basics palette, and I am putting this right in the crease. Then I'm going to grab a packing brush. This is from the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette, and I'm grabbing Sideline, which is a pressed powder from ColourPop, and I'm going to go all over my lid with that. Using a pencil brush or a bulleted crease brush, this is the Morphe B42, I'm going to take Lilo in Karity's Nudes and Rudes palette, and I'm going to go in my crease with this and also in the outer corner of my eye. Blend, blend, blend. I'm going to grab Glitz, which is also in the Karity Nudes and Rudes palette, and I'm going to use my fingers, which, believe it or not, are tools too, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye. Grab your favorite black eyeliner and line your bottom waterline. Taking a liner definer brush, this is the Morphe M432, I'm going to grab Royalty in the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to line my bottom lash line with that. Blend your bottom lash line out with a pencil brush. Add mascara and or some falsies, and your eye look is complete. Top your look off with a warm blush and a warm neutral lip, and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can hit that thumbs up, that like button down below. You can also subscribe for more content by Modern Beauty, and you can see more content by myself by going to these channels. I love you guys so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.